Hello gorgeous ladies, welcome to our channel BlingBag. We are one-stop jewelry destination in India to provide all kinds of jewelry for all possible occasions you name. Here on this channel we will discuss our expert opinion on fashion and jewelry. I am sure you don't want to miss out on this expert advice, so go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell button right next to it so every time we upload a video you get notified. Our job is to make your job easy, and let's get started with today's video. So for today's video, we're going to talk about jewelry care, and this is coming from an expert house, BlingBag. So stay tuned till the end to understand all the jewelry care you need to follow in order to keep your jewelry very shiny and very blingy. So many people overlook cleaning their jewelry, but I'm on a mission to change that. It really will make a difference on how clean and good your jewelry looks. So if you take a closer look to any of your jewelry which you have been wearing it for a long time, or the jewelry pieces which have been lying down for the longest time which you haven't used, take a closer look and you can see that they have started losing their shine. It is all because you're not taking care of them properly. So I'm going to cover 5 tips you can follow to take care of your jewelry. You won't neglect cleaning your clothes, right? So why neglect cleaning your jewelry? So what do you do about it? I will strongly recommend to follow all these jewelry cleaning tips in order to keep your jewelry very shiny and blingy and to expand the life. Number 1, keep it away from perfume and direct sunlight. No matter how expensive or how organic your perfume is, it still carries some ounces of chemical. Perfume directly sprayed on the jewelry would ruin the quality and the shine of your jewelry. So it's better if you keep your perfumes away from jewelry. Also, the chemicals present in the perfumes can cause a long-lasting damage to your jewelry and also make them tarnish and lose its shine. So how do you wear your perfume over jewelry? The best tip I would recommend is first wear your perfume and then wear your jewelry. Number 2, no hairspray or serums. We know how busy it can get in morning when you are late for work and have to rush to office looking all professional and perfect. You might sometimes forget to take off your earring or necklace and end up spraying a hairspray directly over your hair. Your jewelry is gonna come in contact with the chemical present in the hairspray. Damage the color of the earring or jewelry and help them to rust, which we don't want, right? Number 3, storing jewelry in separate bags and scratches. Storing all the jewelry together in a pouch or in a bag can cause damage and also scratches. Small jewelry pieces can tangle up and create a mess, and trust me, that's the last thing we want, right? What I would suggest is try to keep your jewelry in different bags separately, just like these ones. How I've kept a bracelet in a separate plastic pouch, my ring in a separate plastic pouch. I don't want to ruin this high quality jewelry. I would prefer keeping them in separate pouches. So how do you store your jewelry? You don't have to store your jewelry in any random pouches. You can go ahead and store your jewelry in such plastic boxes. You can store your jewelry in these kind of plastic packets. So even for the rings, I prefer keeping all the rings separately in a plastic pouch like these, so that there is no scratch or damage done to the jewelry. You can totally use such boxes which come with jewelry, or you can definitely buy these online, because these are a safer option to store your jewelry. Do you see how my favorite pair of necklace is all tangled up right here? And of course we don't want this, right? So what I've done here is I have tangled free the chain, and I would need one straw, and I'm going to take one side of the chain and get it through the straw. As you can see right here. So this is how it's gonna look. All you have to do is just hook it up and just try tangling up however you want. It's never gonna tangle up again in the future. And the 5th hack is use a soft cloth. Make sure that you do not use any regular cloth because it scratches on the jewelry and we don't want that. Try to use a soft cloth or a fiber-free cloth to get rid of all the dust present on the edges of the jewelry. Also try to clean it very gently and very softly. You can also use a Q-tip, which is a earbud, to clean out the edges. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.